hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with one of my favourite videos, aka a Poundland haul. So this is a home decor and kind of like a few Easter bits, a bit of a random one really, but I went in there the other day and I mean, I always come out with way more than I bargained for. So I went to my local store. I've got 4 bags to run you through. So make yourself comfy. So as always, I will start with the home decor bits because I just feel like they're the most interesting and they seem to be your favourites. So I'm going to jump in with those first and then I'll move on to everything else that I picked up. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to start with is, of course, a cushion. Here it is here. I cannot tell you how soft this cushion is. I just love the print. It was £3 for obviously the cushion and the cushion cover, which I thought was really good. And it's just a really soft like material. And I only picked up one of these because I feel like it's going to be a bit of a statement-y piece. I don't really know where I'm going to put it yet, whether that's going to be in the bedroom or the spare room or my lounge, I don't know, but it's super soft and I just couldn't resist. I thought the pattern was really cute and also it's quite neutral, so if your house is kind of like a neutral vibe or you like the whole neutral vibe, then this is definitely something for you. And it's obviously not going to break the bank, so I did just pick up one of those because I'm going to make it as more of a key cushion, if you like, and then I can always go back and grab some more if they've got any left. So for £1 I then picked up this cute little photo frame. So if you guys follow me on Instagram on my home account, you will see that this is definitely going to fit in very nicely with the neutral kind of theme. So this one's just got 3 little pegs and then you can put your own photos in there, which I thought was quite cute. As you can see, it's there. So you can also hang this on the wall. It's got like a little hook on the back, so if you do want to hang it up then you can do so, but I feel like I'm going to get this on one of my photo shelves. I don't think I've uploaded a photo of them yet, but I'm going to upload them in the next few days because I picked them up and they look so nice. So yeah, I'm going to pop that on my photo shelf because it's not too heavy, which is the main thing. I feel like I'm always careful not to put anything too heavy on there, so this is really nice and lightweight, so it's kind of perfect really. Okay, so with Easter coming up, as you guys know, I have seen these all over Instagram and I've been trying to get my hands on them for so long, but I finally got my hands on them. So look at these cute little bunnies. They are just adorable. They're like iridescent. So I got this little yellow one and I got the baby pink one. Now I kind of wanted a white one. So depending on if I get my things in gear this week, I might paint this one white. But I just got them because I thought they're really cute and they're quite neutral anyway. Like obviously it's a bunny, it's Easter, but you don't necessarily have to use them just for Easter. So I picked up those for £1 each. They also got a blue colour and I can't remember what the other colour was now, but pink and yellow were by far the cutest. I'm loving like pale kind of colours at the minute and they're very like baby yellow and baby pink. Okay, so these next 2 items I'm so happy about. I went into Poundland, was probably about 3 weeks ago, and I saw this item and I picked it up, got to the till, and I was so excited to show you. Got to the till and there was a massive crack in it and I was like, that was the last one left, had to leave it, kind of like forgot about it, and then when I popped in there yesterday they had it. It was like it was meant to be. So this is just a really cute bobbly jug, as you can see here. So this one was £1 and I just thought, imagine like in summer, like it's really warm outside, you're having a cute little breakfast or lunch outside and you can fill it up with like orange juice or like cocktails. So I'm so glad I got it. They had so many more left in there, so they must have had another delivery. But then I also spotted matching little mixer glasses to go with it. So as you can see here, there they are there. They're also glass. They were £1 also, but I just thought for £2 these little items are going to look so nice, and they definitely look more expensive. I'm seeing these kinds of glasses and jugs all over Dunelm, H&M I think I saw one, but loads of different home places have got them, so hit up Poundland if you want the bargain version. So this next item, I wouldn't say I've necessarily picked it up like with it being like really, really nice. I feel like I've picked it up because it's handy. So I picked up this wooden tray to have breakfast in bed because I've still not got round to having breakfast in bed yet. Don't know why. So this one's £3 and they also had it in white, but to be honest the white looked quite cheap, and in the corners it was like dirt, like not dirty, but you know, like you could see almost the original wood or whatever. So yeah, I didn't go for the white one, which is a bit of a shock. I went for this wooden one and it's actually quite sturdy, so it's not got like legs underneath it or anything, but there you go. Here it is here. So I'm gonna give it a go, breakfast in bed, but I thought it was quite nice for Easter weekend. I've got the little toast rack already, so that's my plan for Easter weekend in case you're wondering. I then also picked up the cutest little Easter mug. So they've got a little lamb and then they've got a chick, but I went for the Easter lamb because it's white and it's really cute with its little rosy cheeks. So this one was £1, and yeah, I'm just a sucker for a new mug, as you guys know by now. Okay, so I don't know about you, but all over TikTok and Instagram, I'm seeing everyone making baked oats, whether that be like chocolate ones, Kinder ones, Biscoff ones. I'm just getting a bit obsessed. So I picked up this little dish to make my baked oats in. So it is actually a creamy colour. It looks really white on the screen, but it is actually a creamy colour around the side. And they also had it in grey. I went for the cream one just because I feel like it was a bit more neutral. The grey colour I wasn't really sure on. So it was £1 for this one, and yeah, I'm going to give the baked oats a little attempt. Hope I like them because they do look so nice. So some random items coming your way now. So I picked up Sam Fairs' My Baby and Me book. I'm not pregnant, I'm not having children anytime soon or anything like that, but I picked it up because I just thought it was only £1, and I just find these books really interesting. And I'd seen before that loads of people had read it, so I saw that in there and I grabbed it. So if any of you are interested in that book, get in there quick because they did have quite a few in there. And then I also picked this up. This is A Soup for Everyday 365 recipes. So it's got a price on the back of £25. Obviously I only paid £1 for it, but this is actually going to be a present for someone, just as a little gift to go with some other gifts, because I know that they like their soup. So that's that one. I kind of wish I got one for myself, but I can't really see myself making soup all the time. Probably too lazy for that, but they've got some really nice recipes in there. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I spotted this when I was near the till. This is the Fabulosa Hot Cross Bunny. I mean, I know I'm getting into the Easter swing of things, but oh my god, that was my nose. It genuinely smells like a hot cross bun. So it's got the cutest little packaging. Can you see? It's got like little bunnies on it, so had to pick up that one. Now, I know this is probably not going to be the best DIY tool kit that I need, but I grabbed these as a bit of a panic buy. I realised that I've got no screwdrivers in my house, and the other day I was trying to do something. Could I find a screwdriver? No. So, I mean, these do look not the best, but until I get myself down to like B&Q or wherever it is that you go to get tools, I thought I'd pick up this one. So it's just a pack of 4, different sizes, shapes, whatever, and that was just £1, so couldn't really go wrong with that. Hopefully they actually do work. These are my current favourite snacks. These are the Maryland Minis. So there's 99 calories in each bag, and I just love them as a little treat. So I've got 6 of those in a little bag. Would highly recommend those if you like cookies. I used to eat the big packs, you know, like the big Maryland packs. I'd go through a whole packet with like a cup of coffee, like years ago when I used to drink coffee. Oh, dipped in coffee, they are the best. So I'm also going to attempt to get my brownie making on. This is the Tempting Chocolate Brownie Mix, as you can see here. So these ones were £1, and I'm going to make mini egg brownies or galaxy brownies. So let me show you. I picked up the Galaxy caramel eggs because I thought I could stick those on top, or the Terry's chocolate orange mini eggs. So I'm going to give those a go, and I'll share them if they turn out okay. I mean, how wrong can you go with a brownie mix? Who knows? So I'll give those a little go, but oh my god, Terry's chocolate orange mini eggs are going to be my new favourite, I think. Anything Terry's, and I'm sold. And I've not tried the Galaxy caramel ones, but they just look quite nice. I've also got mini eggs in the cupboard, so I've got a backup. I've got 3 options here. I actually then picked up a little random item. This is a new deodorant. It's Magnolia Flower and Geranium. I've not seen this one before. It's by Soft and Gentle, which I think you can just about see there. So I picked up that one for £1. I think they've rebranded their packaging, so I don't know. I need a new deodorant. It looked cute and girly, so I went for that one. I then picked up some Aqueous cream. I think that's how you say it. So basically, I don't know if you've noticed, but under here, under my lip, I've got like the biggest sore patch. I really don't know what it is, but it's ever since I had COVID. I had really swollen and sore lips when I had COVID back at Christmas, and it's not got better. I've tried so many different things. So this is my last resort before I go to the doctors. I've tried everything. If you guys have got any recommendations for things, then please let me know, and if I've not tried them, I'll give them a go. But I've not been wearing makeup because it just makes it worse and really scaly. So that is all like under there. Not very nice, but I don't really know what else to do. So I'll give this a go and hope that it works. And then if you like Percy Pigs like me, these are Poundland's knockoff version. So they're called Dinky's Bones and Dinky and Friends. So these ones are like the fizzy ones, as you can see there. They are 100% the best. And then these ones are like the normal Percy Pigs. Don't get me wrong, I don't think you can necessarily beat the original Percy Pigs, but they taste so good and they're like way cheaper, so I picked up those as another little treat. Not that I needed any more. I feel like every time I come on here with a Poundland haul, I'm like, yes, I bought this, and then all the sweets, all the chocolate, all the cakes. So, I mean, there's no kind of like healthy eating going on for me right now, but I have cut out fizzy drinks for a while though. I think I've had 3 weeks without them now, which for me was so good because normally I was having like 1 or 2 a day, which I know is awful. So there's one more item that I actually picked up that I've got on my lips at the minute. I'm not too sure, like let me know what you guys think. This is just called the Lip Liner Precise Definition. This one is in shade Nude Caramel. Now I have just used it, as you can see. I'm hoping you can still kind of get a taste for the colour. But it is very, very nude. I've just got this on all over my lips with a bit of a, kind of like a glittery gloss over the top. But for £1 I'm going to try it because some of Poundland's like makeup items are really, really good. I've got their bronzer that I actually use as an eyeshadow sometimes. Their nail varnishes are so quick drying and really, really good. So I thought I'd give the lip liner a go. I also picked up like a cream eyeshadow once and I use it as like an inner corner highlight when I'm going out and I've got more of like a full glam look. So yeah, definitely check out their makeup range if you pop in there because this nude liner I was really impressed with. It's not like dry, goes on your lips quite smooth and quite creamy. So yeah, look out for those. There was only one left. There was only one of this shade left, so I have a feeling it's like a popular one or like a dupe for something maybe. But if I go in there again, I'll definitely pick up more because I feel like for summer it's quite like a creamy colour. And then last but not least, from the snack queen over here, I picked up 25p Walker's cheese and onion crisps. I've got a cupboard full of crisps out in my kitchen. Yeah, I got to the till, they had these in a box and I was like, yep, I'm gonna grab some. I really don't know why I do it, but I see discounted food and I'm like, yeah, I'll grab that. So I've not eaten them yet, but I did only buy them a few days ago, so I will crack on to those. They always do that though. They always have their bargain sweets, crisps, chocolate all by the till. I know it's like a selling tactic, I'm not that silly, but it always works for me. So even if I'm the only one that buys them, I feel like they're making their money's worth because it's always me that's like, yep, I'll grab those, thank you. Anyway, that is everything that I picked up. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed. As you know, I do a monthly Poundland haul, so I'd love for you to subscribe if you're interested in those videos, and I will see you in my next video.